Coal is black, hard, stone-like substance which is used as fuel in different applications such as thermal power plant for production of electricity, in household cooking, in railway engines, and in various industries to carry out chemical reactions. It is an exhaustible natural resource. It is obtained from Earth's crust. But do you know how it is formed? Let me tell you an interesting story of formation of coal. About 300 million years ago, due to various natural processes like flood, earthquake, huge forests get buried under the surface of Earth. Year by year, more soil get deposited over them, increasing compression over them. Under hot conditions and high pressure, deeper in Earth's crust, anaerobic bacteria decompose these parts and remove oxygen and hydrogen from them, leaving behind only carbon. Due to pressure, carbon gets compressed, forming a compact stony mass called coal. This slow process of conversion of dead plants into coal is called carbonization. Since it was formed from dead remains of plants, therefore, coal is also called a fossil fuel. On the basis of carbon content, what are the uses of coal? Burning of coal in air gives out high amount of heat, releasing carbon dioxide gas. Thus, it is one of the major source of energy. In industries, various useful products are produced from coal. These are coke. It is purest form of coal. It is tough, porous, and black substance. In households, coke is used as fuel without smoke. Coke is also used in chemical processes such as manufacture of steel, extraction of many metals. Extraction is a process with which we can obtain pure metal from its impure form, such as pure iron is obtained from iron oxide. Coal tar. It is black smelly liquid having mixture of about 200 substances. It is used for making synthetic dyes, plastics, paints, synthetic fiber, pesticides, photographic material, naphthalene ball, roofing materials, drugs, explosives, perfumes, etc. Coal gas. It is a mixture of methane, hydrogen, carbon monoxide and other gases. It is used as fuel for industries and household fuel. We use petrol in lightweight vehicles like motorcycle, scooters, cars, etc. Similarly, we use diesel in heavy vehicles like trucks and tractors. The natural resource from where we obtain petrol and diesel is called petroleum, which is also called crude oil. Do you know how the word petroleum is formed? Let me tell you. In this word, petra means rock and oleum means oil. The oil obtained that is trapped in rocks is petroleum. Like coal, petroleum is also a fossil fuel, which is exhaustible natural resource. Let's now understand how it is formed. We know that sea is home for large number of organisms. When these organisms die, their bodies settle down at the bottom of sea. Layers of sand and clay gets deposited on their bodies. Over millions of years, in the conditions such as absence of air, high temperature and pressure, these dead parts went through series of processes and get converted to petroleum and natural gas. The form petroleum, being lighter than water, floats over the layer of water and remains compressed by natural gas in a dome-shaped impervious rock called rock cap. In India, oil is found in Assam, Gujarat, Mumbai High, and in the river basins of Godavari and Krishna. Refining of petroleum. Now, petroleum oil or crude oil obtained is dark oily liquid having unpleasant smell. It is consist of different constituents such as petrol, petroleum gas, diesel, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, etc. These components must be separated, and the process of separating different components of petroleum is called refining. It is carried out in petroleum refinery. The principle used for separation is that different components have different boiling points. The method of separating components based on difference in boiling point is called fractional distillation. Different components are petroleum gas in liquid form called liquefied petroleum gas have lowest boiling point. So it is collected at the top of fractional distillation column. It is used as fuel for home and industry. Subsequently, we obtain petrol, which is fuel in automobiles. It is also a good solvent. Kerosene is fuel for stoves, lamps, and jet crafts. Diesel is fuel for heavy vehicles and machines. Lubricating oil is used for lubrication of machine parts, engines, etc. Paraffin wax is used for making Vaseline, ointment, that is lotion, candles, etc. Bitumen is used for making paints and road surfaces. Natural gas is formed during the decomposition of dead parts over 1 million of years into petroleum. It remains compressed above petroleum in impervious rocks called rock cap. Natural gas consists of methane, ethane, propane, and butane. It may also have carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and helium. Like coal and petroleum, natural gas is also an exhaustible fossil fuel. In India, natural gas is found in Tripura, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and in Krishna-Godavari Delta. It is very easy to transport natural gas through pipes over long distances. Uses of natural gas. Dear students, unlike petroleum, natural gas can be used as it is. As compressed natural gas, CNG, natural gas stored at high pressure is compressed natural gas. Fundamental advantage of using CNG is that it is less polluting. It is used for fuel in automobiles and for power generation. It is transported to homes and factories through pipes where it is used as fuel. Such a network of pipelines exists in Vadodara, Gujarat, some parts of Delhi, and other places. In chemical factories, hydrogen and carbon can be obtained by heating natural gas strongly. Hydrogen is used in chemical factories for manufacturing of various chemicals and fertilizers. Carbon is used as a filler in tires so as to increase the strength of tires.